Alright, there's these two bolts here that hold the hand grips on. You want to remove those. Just lifts off. There's two washers here. They actually stay. They're the plugs that hold the inner supports in. Going to remove the seat. So on the left hand side of your tail light there's a keyhole. You'll need to unlock it with your key. It'll pop the latch and allow your seat to be removed. Can be a little tricky. Give it a good yank back, it'll come loose. The full-fared model that has the hand grips on it already has inner supports, so you won't need to worry about those. The brackets that come with it would just bolt on here and hang down. I am not going to be using the OEM brackets because I'm going to be installing some soft saddlebags. I'm going to be installing these Tourmaster Elite saddlebags on my CTX. I also have some saddlebag stays or brackets or supports rather than the OEM version. Those right there. So we're just going to put it right between the rear grips and this rubber pad that's here. Try not to scratch the paint. Just snug them up. Plenty of clearance from the body work. So I'm just going to mount these right in between the passenger hand grips and the mounts here. Plenty of clearance from the paint. Alright, I got the Tourmaster Elite bags on my CTX. I think they look pretty good. There was a little bit of a trick to getting them on there. I may modify them a little bit to fit a little bit better with the straps, because where the straps ride right here, you have to cross them this way under the seat because the latch is right here and the bumpers. I also installed this clear protective tape here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like Invis-A-Shield for your phone. But what it is helicopter tape. They call it helicopter tape. Or racing tape. Help protect the paint from any rubs on it. Overall, I am pretty happy. I have enough ground clearance or exhaust clearance. Looks like I got like 4 inches of clearance under the exhaust there, and they are away from the bike plenty. Yep, I think I'm pretty happy with that. I think it adds quite a bit to the look. All right, guys, till next time.